Hello, my name is Sunday, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a blog post in WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified when I upload more WordPress videos. Okay, so first you need to log into your WordPress site. So into your username and your password. Okay, now once you're in your WordPress dashboard, there are two ways you can create a blog post in WordPress. The first is to head over to the admin bar here, and then you do new and then post, or you head over to here where we have post and then you do add new, post, add new. Whichever way you choose to do, you still lead you to the post page here where you can add a new post. So first you have to give your post a title. Let's say example post title, and you can see the WordPress visual editor here is just like what you have in your word processor. So maybe like Microsoft Word and so on and so forth. It's similar to what you have. Now down here is where you had your content, and here is where you format your content. And just play around with the different options you have here. It's similar to what you have in your word processor. And because of time, I'm going to just head over here and then copy some dummy contents and then paste. Now, once you've written your content, another thing you want to do is to add an image. To add an image to your post, or what you simply need to do is to locate, keep your cursor wherever you want your image to go, and then you click Add Media, you click Upload, select File, and select the image or the images you wish to add. So for this, I'm going to just select this, and then you allow it to load. Once it has finished loading, you scroll down here to see the settings. Alignment, you could choose to align it to left, center, or right, and normally we'll keep it at center. And then you can select the size of the image you want. If you want it to be big, keep it at full size, and then you click insert into post. Okay, that's it. The image is in the post. Another thing you may want to do is to embed a YouTube video in your post. To do that, simply keep your cursor where you want the YouTube video to go. I'm going to create space for it in here. Let me put it in between here. So with that, I'm going to head over to YouTube, and then I'm going to click on share, and then you click on embed here, and then click copy to copy the embed code for the video, and then head over to your blog, switch from the visual editor. WordPress has visual editor and text editor. Switch from the visual editor to the text editor by simply clicking on text, and then right here, anywhere here, it could be outside, wherever you want it. Just paste the code you copied from YouTube. And then if you switch back to visual, you see the embed code. Now, once you're done with that, you want to categorize your post. Let's say you are running a blog that has different categories like celebrity, entertainment, and so on and so forth. You have to choose the category you want to put your post. If you don't have the categories already created, or if the categories don't exist on your site, to create one, you simply need to add new category and give the category a name. So let's say category name, and then you click add new category. Your post will be using it has selected that category. So you can also create other categories just right from here. So you may also want to add some tags to your post. Just say WordPress post, and then add. Another important thing you want to do is to set a featured image for the post. Now in WordPress, featured image is simply this image that shows when you visit on the site, the image you see before you see the post title, and then you see a description of the post. That's what is called the featured image. To add a featured image, you click on set featured image, click on upload, select files, and select the image you wish to use as the featured image. So let me use this, then open, give it a little while to load. Once it finishes loading, you do set featured image. Now, WordPress also has an amazing option to schedule a post to publish in future date. If you wanted to publish this post right now, all you need to do is to click publish and it will publish. But if you want to schedule it to publish at a later date, you just come here to say where it says publish immediately, click on edit, and then you can choose the month you wish to publish your post, and then you can enter the day in that month. You can choose enter the year and then the time, and then you click OK and then publish. Once you do that, it will once that day reaches, your post will automatically publish. But I don't want to publish this at a future date. I want to publish it now. So all what I need to do is to click publish. But before you publish any post in WordPress, WordPress has this unique feature that allows you to see exactly how your post will look on your website, how your readers will see the post. So you just click on preview and then give it a little while. It will load, and once it loads, it will show you exactly how the post will look. This is our post title. This is the text. This is our YouTube embed. This is text again, and this is the image we added. Now, this other image was automatically added by the team. There are some team that will also bring in your featured image, into your post. So once you've previewed and it's okay, you can now go ahead and click publish. And that's it. That's how you create a blog post in WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so when I publish more WordPress videos, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.